much. Okay. All right. So, Eddie, what did you put on this car?
Probably too much to list, but let's just say it has 750 to the wheels. 750, 418 stroker, ported heads, ported supercharger, ported throttle body, injectors, E85 conversion, 2-inch headers, 3-inch X-pipe intake, pulleys, cooling mods, just all sorts of witchcraft. So yeah.
All right. So this is business. 85, right?
Yeah.
What year and model is this?
2011 CTS-V.
Okay. Fun.
Yeah, it's alright.
And that was with closed exhaust, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you open up the exhaust, does it give you more power or just like the sound?
Less power.
Less power.
You lose torque.
Oh, okay. So it just gives you higher torque. That's about it.
Yeah. If you open up the exhaust, you lose some torque.
Okay.
But yeah, that's why I usually run with closed exhaust. We can open them up. Just hold it for 5 seconds.
Yeah, it sounds nice. American cars, I love how they sound nice sometimes.
Yeah, most of the time, yeah, especially the V8s. Yeah, my forged pistons and everything has to expand still. It's
So
kinda cool.
that's the air to fuel ratio on it.
Yeah. Then I got my temperatures, air temperatures.
You can install that on any car? The air temperatures mostly?
Yeah. I mean, it just depends. Like, not all car need it.
Okay.
So with mine, I watch it that way. I know that all my water's working right, my pumps and everything. And that way I don't overheat the supercharger.
It's water injected too?
No, I got my supercharger is water cooled.
Oh, water cooled. Okay.
Let's see. I'm running actually E85 right now.
Oh, so you're running more horsepower than the regular gas on here.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Here we go. It's okay. That was fun.
It's alright.
So, one last question. How much money did you put in this car in terms of for the power wise? Is it decent, or you think you paid some places a little bit too much?
It's I guess for the amount of power that I have, it's actually pretty good.
Okay.
So it's not all that much, but I already had a bottom long block that was built, so that saved me about 10 grand.
How much grand?
10 grand.
Oh wow. Okay.
Probably.
That's a big save right there.
Yeah.